All right, welcome to the guided notes of Unit 6, Lesson 1, Simplifying Expressions. All right, so an expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain, and we're going to use this word bank to fill in these words and label this expression down here. So an expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain coefficient, variable, and constant values. So down here, we're going to label, and hopefully you can see this once this disappears. Let me get that to disappear. So you can see how the expression is labeled. The coefficient is the -6. That's the number right before your variable, which is the variable is the letter. And then a constant is not connected to a variable at all. The other thing we need to learn is that this is a term and this is a term. So this would be considered a two-term expression. Each term has the sign, negative or positive, located with it. If it's the first term in front of the expression and it's a positive term, it will not have the positive sign. But if a number does not have that positive sign, we know that it is a positive number or a positive term. Okay? We're going to use the words over here in this word bank to fill in the blanks over here. So terms can be classified as like or unlike, and expressions can be simplified by combining the like terms. Like terms must have the same base and variable. So down here on the bottom, we have an example of different terms that we'll kind of be looking at. So 7x and 9x are like terms because they both share the same variable of x. 4k and 4g are not like terms because their variable k and g are not the same. When it talks about the same base, that means any variable that is brought to a power. So the exponents, like the power of 2, the power of 3, that's what it's talking about when it talks about base right there. So now you have the guided notes for expressions, and we're going to apply what we've learned into our practice.